Black diamonds, also known as Carbonado, are among the most mysterious and fascinating gemstones on Earth. Unlike traditional clear diamonds, Carbonado diamonds have a unique dark, opaque appearance and a porous structure that makes them very different from other gemstones. Because of their rarity and unusual formation, many people are curious about how to identify a real black diamond, especially at home, without expensive tools or professional equipment. In recent years, simple home testing methods have gained popularity, particularly among collectors, hobbyists, and beginners. One of the most talked about techniques involves using everyday household items like salt, and water. While this method may sound surprisingly simple, it is based on basic physical properties such as density, surface behavior, and the interaction between minerals and liquids. The idea behind the salt and water test is to observe how a suspected black diamond reacts when placed in a controlled solution. Real Carbonado diamonds tend to have specific characteristics that can sometimes be noticed even without advanced instruments. For example, their weight, texture, and how they interact with water can provide useful clues. However, it is important to understand that no home test is 100% conclusive, and results should always be interpreted carefully. This guide is designed to help you explore one of the easiest and safest ways to begin testing a black diamond at home. Whether you found a stone, bought one online, or simply want to verify its authenticity, learning these basic techniques can save you time and help you avoid common mistakes. Before we begin, keep in mind that professional verification using tools like thermal conductivity testers or expert gemological analysis remains the most reliable method. Still, the salt and water test can serve as a helpful first step in distinguishing a potential real Carbonado diamond from common imitations.